You get it? Because he reacts, look. Hi. Smells of damp in here, don't it?
It smells like seaside.
It's awful. In fact, I'm going to wear his bed out now. Oh, you don't even know, earlier I went round a massive hump, down a massive hump, and everything around went. It sounded so bad.
Maximus.
Just those 3 screws. That's actually kind of good.
I'm a genius.
Oh, there's earth, but
See?
it's fine.
I know.
Maybe it is a terminus, unless it's this. It's actually on.
Mental. So after all that, it was a bad earth. Earth had gone rusty. So sanded it down and it's working. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Looking fantastic, Joseph.
It is on. Nemas problemas, honey.
Yeah, that's good.
Well, that was considerably less time than I was expecting. So, seeing as that job didn't take very long, I'm going to sort this out quick because it's bugging me. It looks shite. I've got a bit of hardboard I'm going to lay over the top. This is bodge, ultimate bodging city, this is. Not good, so there you go, look. It's a bit bodgy, but you see, once you get that, once you get the sealant on there, when that dries, you paint over it all and you can't really see it, so it should look alright. It's not, it doesn't need to be perfect anyway, I'm not that bothered. Alright, so we are now going to go find a parkour. Try not to stay at the house because it's not that good to sleep and it's in the middle of the village and stuff, so try and go out into the countryside a little bit. So this is what an evening looks like, going to find somewhere to sleep. That is pretty awesome. Just quickly ran up to the forest, go get some wood. It's going to be cold tonight, I think. It's bloody freezing last night. I ended up having to use a diesel heater because the wood that I got the other day is pretty wet and I couldn't get the log burner going very well. So yeah, there's a lot of dead standing dry stuff in there, so should be alright for tonight. I love it. In the new routine, you get to a spot, go off, find some wood for the heating. Brilliant, so simple. Living simply. There we go, folks. Video is on. Why do I always do that? Every time. Every time. God damn it. Yeah, quite enjoying this. The old daily video thing. Give me something to do again. Something to occupy my mind that I enjoy. So yeah, it's good. I'm starting to feel a little bit lost before. I hope you enjoy this video that's just gone on. It's only short, like I said. These are probably going to be short because I'm here at the minute, so when I do something, when I go somewhere, you'll be coming along. I think that's better than just waiting for ages and piling up footage like I was doing. This is much more interesting for me anyway, so let me know what you think. Right, see you all tomorrow. Not said that for a while.